Tokotokok Pancit Malabon. So here's the ingredients. 1 pack of pancit bihon, cooking oil, ground pork, atsuete, diluted in water, fish sauce, ground black pepper, salt, onion, and garlic. Yan. So let's start cooking pancit malabon. So first, preheat the pan. Kapag mainit na yung pan, lagyan na natin yung cooking oil. Kapag mainit na yung cooking oil, lagyan na natin yung garlic. Tapos ng garlic, yung onions. That's yung ating pork. Yung pork pala natin is pre-cooked na. Then next, we'll put the shrimp broth. And yung ating atsuete na diluted sa water. After nito, let it simmer for 5 minutes. Yun. So kapag kumukulo na, lagyan na natin ng patis. Yung dami ng patis, depende sa gusto nung alat. Tapos, pepper. Tapos, let it simmer again for 3 minutes. So, ngayon, patayin na natin yung apoy and ilagay na natin yung ating noodles.